In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Facebook Metapixel ID to your Hostinger website builder. This process is essential for anyone looking to track user interactions on their website, enhancing your ability to run data-driven marketing campaigns. So, let's dive in and connect your Facebook pixel to your Hostinger website. First, we need to open the Hostinger control panel. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your website. Once you're there, you'll find a navigation bar or menu on your screen. From here, click on Websites. This action will lead you to an overview of all the websites you are currently managing under your Hostinger account. Next, locate the specific website you would like to work with and click on Edit Website. Doing so takes you to the Website Builder interface, where you can make adjustments and customizations to your site, including integrating valuable tools like the Facebook Pixel. Once inside the editing environment, look for the option labeled More. It's often situated in the upper menu bar, designed to provide additional settings and advanced features for your site. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Integrations. This section is crucial. It's dedicated to adding various tools and services that can enhance the performance and functionality of your website. The Integrations page showcases a list of compatible services you can link to your site. Among these options, you'll see the Facebook Pixel. Now, click on the Facebook Pixel option. This takes you to the section where you will either find fields or buttons to input your Facebook Pixel ID. If you haven't already created a Facebook Pixel, make sure to do that on Facebook's Business Manager. The Pixel ID is a unique string of numbers assigned to your Facebook Pixel, and it enables Facebook to recognize events on your web page. Finally, enter your Facebook Pixel ID into the appropriate field. Be meticulous while copying this ID from your Facebook account to avoid any errors. Once the ID is correctly entered, make sure to save your changes. This step ensures that the connection between your Hostinger site and Facebook Pixel is established and functioning correctly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully linked your Facebook Metapixel ID with your Hostinger website builder. This setup now allows you to gather valuable data on user interactions, enabling you to tailor your marketing efforts more effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you optimize your online presence.